Card payments for rendered procedures and dispensed inventory are easily processed through a direct integration with select payment processors and approved point-of-sale devices. This allows practices to securely process credit and debit cards directly through Pulse, offering a seamless workflow for both the practice staff and the customer. Options are also available for customers to make payments virtually through their client portal, as well as store the token for their card on file for future payments. Quickly process debit and credit card payments without having to leave Pulse. This is done by simply generating an invoice, then choosing the correct credit or debit card type, then processing the payment. The payment device will automatically prompt the customer to either swipe or insert their card. If needed, the customer's signature can be captured on a signature device and included on the invoice for future reference. Integrated payments also allow you to safely and securely store a token for the credit card information on file for quick and easy purchasing. To add a card to the client's file, choose the appropriate client record and expand the Account Balance section. Click on the ellipsis button to open the additional options and choose the option for Manage Stored Cards. Within the Manage Stored window, choose to add, update a card, and a window will display the card type and terminal ID. Click the Authorize and Store, and Pulse will cue the payment terminal to swipe or insert the customer's card. Once the card has been recorded, the last 4 digits and card type will display in the Manage Stored Cards window. To use this card for a future payment, simply check out a client, and when prompted for the payment type, select the correct stored card, then process the payment. Recurring payments in combination with the secure card storage is a great way to offer customers automatic scheduled payments for pre-purchase wellness plans. It also helps to reduce staff time spent sending balance notices and manually entering payments. When a wellness plan is entered into a patient's medical record, a payment plan option is available. Once checked, Pulse allows you to define payment options including card storage and payment schedules. Once complete, click Save Payment Plan, and Pulse will automatically charge the stored card on the predefined dates.